Open the unbox cartoon for router and open all catalogs. Now plug in current, connect the power. Then check work or not and connect. This is router connect with computer.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see.
Connect complete. The check. This is connection complete. Then open Google Chrome. And here type 192.168.0.254. This is the default IP address for all router TP-link. Here credit the admin. This is simple. Now start. This quick setup for charging network. This is my network HTC Wi-Fi. Their password for main router.
Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking
next for there is 5G. This is router work for 5G. You have 5G. I need a no 5G, so I skip this site and confirm. Now the reset next and the restart router. So this is on work sometime. Thank you for watching video. Please subscribe my channel for I am new with you and my voice is not good.